Welcome back to Ta-Da 3D Printing. Today is the 3-year anniversary of this YouTube channel. On April 2nd, 2023, I uploaded a video of a newly launched 3D printer that I had pre-ordered because I was seeing so many questions online. And I just continued to create more videos as more people had questions, as new printers came out. We've done multiple different tutorials on different printers. And I just wanted to say how much I appreciate all of you who have supported me on this journey. Whether you've watched, liked, commented, subscribed, become a member, I really appreciate all of the support that I have received this whole time. So today I wanted to tell you a little bit more about myself as well as answer some questions, including the most common one of what is my favorite 3D printer? So my first name is Tamisha, my initials spell Ta-Da, and I've always felt that the 3D printer, when it finishes printing and it's lowering the bed, it's just telling me, ta-da, it's done. So I felt that that was very fitting for the channel. I started making miniatures again as an adult in 2018, and when I added a 3D printer into the mix in 2019, it went from just being a hobby to being a business. And now I sell my miniatures on Etsy with the 3D printers that I make. I also have some files available on Etsy, and just recently I launched a subscription base of my files on THANGS, and that has been really fun because I really feel like either a room box or a dollhouse to me is kind of like a puzzle. You print the different pieces, you put the pieces together, and then you put all of the pieces in the room box, and you're left with something at the end. You don't just have to take all of the puzzle pieces apart and put it in a box. You have something that you can continue to enjoy. So that's been a really fun process to start uploading those files and come out with a new room box each month is my goal. And now for the most common question, what is my favorite 3D printer? And 3D printers have changed a lot over the last few years. So I wanted to go through and talk about my favorite printer on April of each year. So when I posted my first video on April 2nd, 2023, my favorite printer definitely was at the time the printer that I started the videos for. That was the Prusa XL single tool head. Those were the only ones that had shipped at the time. And so I was really enjoying the huge change. We went from a bed slinger to a Core XY. We have a huge build plate, over 14 inches. And it was really fun to watch this different setup of printer and try to just scale my prints as big as I could go. I had a lot of fun making giant prints and going through the process of that. So that was really fun. By April of 2024, I had received the Prusa XL 5 tool head. And that just blew me out of the water because not only did we have multi-color, but we had multi-materials. It was so fun to see the tool heads changing as they were printing. We had such little amount of waste because it was so efficient to have all 5 tool heads have different colors. We just had the tower. So that was really a lot of fun to go through some of my designs and revise them, try to make them more efficient, that I could 3D print more colors in one file, not have to glue as many things together. So that was really a lot of fun to see the change and be playing with multicolor. By April of 2025, I had been getting a lot of comments about a different brand of printer that was bamboo. And so I purchased the X1C. Those had been out for a little while. I didn't get it in on Kickstarter. I didn't get through the launch. I was just getting a lot of comments about the comparison because it had great multicolor. So I did purchase that, and I had a lot of fun with that printer because it made it a lot more enjoyable to focus on the designs. I felt like it was just very easy to go through the process of sending it from my computer and then just go check on it when it's done. I loved the camera on that printer, and I really enjoyed the shift from tinkering with my designs and my final product instead of tinkering so much with the printer itself. So now it is April of 2026. So what is my favorite printer? I have had so much fun with Prusa printers for so long. I've been enjoying the bamboo printers as well. So what is my favorite? As of today, my favorite printer is my Bamboo H2D. still over the H2C. I have had this for a little over a year, and I just recently posted a video about my 1-year review of this printer. So you can see a little bit more why I prefer this printer right now. But 3D printers are changing quickly. There's a lot of competition. There's more brands coming onto the market, which is great for us as 3D printers. So let me know as of today, what is your favorite 3D printer that you own and where you see it going from here. You know, next year, I am really hoping that the Prusa Core INDX, I'm anxiously awaiting that. I think that's going to blow everything out of the water to be able to have all of those different tool heads and the quick change. So I'm anxiously awaiting that. I also am curious about the Snapmaker. I like that that does have different tool heads, not just the dual nozzle or the AMS like the Bamboo. So I'm really curious about that one as well. So let me know your thoughts on where we're going to be in a year from now. Thanks so much for watching.